Roy, what's that? What are you eating? I don't want your food. I just want to see. Stop complaining, Mama. Yeah, baby. Don't complain. I want to see. I want to see. Let me see what you're eating. Roy, show me. A big rat. Stop running. You can't share it with me. I don't eat rats. Good boy. Good boy. No, don't run. I won't take it from you. It's too big. Call your sister to help you. Rosio! Rosio! Rosio, your brother has food. Share with your sister. Roy. Wow. You're really enjoying. Oh, goodness. He's even tired of swallowing and chewing. It's too big. That's huge. Whew. Where did you get that? Take it easy. I don't want your food. Just enjoy. You eat everything? Wow. That was really fast. Show me, show me. Wow, show me how you break those bones. Show the camera. Turn your face to me. Roy, show it to me. You don't want me to see? Good boy. Like that. Wow. That was really fast, Roy. You ate everything, even the tail. You need water. I'll give you drinking water. Chief, bring water for Roy. He surely needs it. He's even checking whether something remained. Nothing. You ate everything. Even the skin, the tail, the nails, the feet, the bones. Nothing remained. Stop looking. You ate everything. What do you say? Say, thank you, God, for the wonderful meal. Wow. Oh, Roy. Say thank you, God. Wow. You're washing your feet? Go get water with the plate. Show us your face. Is it clean? Are you clean? You cleaned yourself? No blood stain on you? Like you ate nothing. No a sign of you eating anything. Is there more? Now you're done. Okay, bye. Say bye to the camera. Roy, water is coming. Drink water. And to see you drinking water. After eating, you drink water. You don't want water? Okay, bye-bye.